Okay guys, hello, thank you for joining this live stream. Sorry for interruption, sorry for delay. I will really appreciate if you're gonna press like button. I hope everything is okay. I hope that the sound, the video, and of course the information quality will be satisfied, will be good quality, okay? So first thing first, before we're gonna start, I want to tell you, we're not giving any kind of financial or non-financial advices to anyone. We're just showing to you how I see the chart, my action, my personal actions, and of course, the incredibly great forecast of our algorithm. We're not putting you into the positions. We're not definitely telling to you, buy right now because, oh my God, no. If I'm buying, I'm buying. If I'm selling, I'm selling. I'm just gonna shut the fuck up this. Okay, I'm not gonna read the chart. I'm just gonna go for myself. I'm just gonna do the live stream for myself. If the quality of sound or video is bad, fuck it. Just leave this live stream. You don't need this information. Just go and watch previous live stream. You even cannot imagine how I'm trying to convince myself to do this live stream right now. You cannot even imagine this, but that's okay. Let's dive deep to the chart without talking. So the previous week I said to you, the week before that, today is the day when I'm cleaning the chart. Buy. In the private group, I showed to the people that I'm not expecting lower than 63. I'm not expecting lower than 63. Then we said that the price will go to 72.74. We did this. We go to the 72.74. All these lines went to sell, was given to you. All these lines, all these precious lines was given to you. After that, on the previous live stream, I showed to the people, on the previous videos, I showed to the people that I'm expecting that the price will be here. Yeah, 70, 69, 69, 66. Everything is done. For me, everything is done. I'm just gonna clear this chart. Sorry guys, if I'm gonna read the chat right now, I'm just gonna turn off the streaming and that's gonna be the end. So I'm gonna clear this. I'm gonna leave only this line. I'm gonna leave the same this one. This arrow showed to us the huge, bigger volatility. Done. We still have one more volatility closer to this date. So we reached the zone. We reached the zone line that was shown here, work on the smaller time frames. Right now, I just want to let you know that I don't have short positions. I close them. I notify people in the private group that I'm closing them because I'm expecting for the movement up. But it's not happening. It's not happening. Satisfy things that's happening right now. Yeah. So if I'm gonna go with a 4-hour time frame, all these things you can go and see how I'm drawing on the chart on the previous videos. Right now, I'm gonna open bigger short position, as I said, once again, as I said, from the top of the 4-hour time frame. So somewhere here, that will be my short positions. I'm just gonna wait while the 4-hour time frame will be here. Probably that's gonna happen closer to 10, 11, 12. Sorry if this live stream will be boring as the previous one. I don't need these live streams. You need this live stream. So let me think. Let me think before I'm gonna say something. Let me make some conclusions. Let me make some opinions. Let me build the strategy for the next week, because most of you're not going to receive any kind of updates. You're not going to receive any kind of additional information because you're not watching the videos on the YouTube. So I need to give you at least something. Yeah. I'm just thinking about the quality of the video. I'm just thinking about the quality of the everything, and I'm thinking like, do I need to do this live stream or not right now? Because I feel like I'm wasting my time. So once again, when we're buying, when the yellow filter at the bottom, when we're selling, when the yellow filter on top, yeah, Sometimes there is the phase of the price when price move in the phase of accumulation or distribution, yeah, like the flat, the range. So there is pretty huge probability that the price until middle of March will do that movement down, then we're gonna come back here, then we're gonna go lower, and then only we're gonna go higher. That's the huge probability. Unfortunately, I'm telling you this right now, unfortunately, once again, my friends. So I need to clear this chart. Give me a second, I will do this more. Done. Now from here, like, I'm expecting the movement up, yeah? We're gonna come back to this. This is the sell, the bigger volatility. I'm just gonna clear this. I don't need this. I'm gonna leave all these lines. I'm gonna leave them. That shows that there will be huge volatility, yeah? So definitely buy. Should stop bounce from here. We already bounced from here, so I'm gonna delete this. What we have right now, 1, 3, 4-hour time frame. Works pretty good for me, okay. Okay, I still thinking that we could see that type of movement. 69.70. After that, not that. Yes, give me a second. I will turn on one thing and we will go with you. Okay, start. Okay, let's do the calculations. Yeah, we're gonna go with the 9 autofill. We're gonna go with the 10. Let's try to understand. We're gonna go with the 11, 12, 13. So right now we have this things on every date, yeah, like where the price not gonna be. So the only thing that I need to do is to take this screenshot, put it here, and let's try to make something that will show me where the price not gonna be and on what dates, yeah? So sorry for this, guys. Today will be the absolutely terribly bad live stream where we will try to guess what will happen in the middle of March and why I think that that could be manipulation down. And at the end, I will try to make conclusion. So, 9 of March, tomorrow. 9 of March, tomorrow. The price shouldn't be 65.63, yeah? Nine, 65, 63, 65. Like it means that the price shouldn't be here. 65. 63. Will it work with you? I hope that will work with you, yeah? The price shouldn't be here. until 9. Then 69.71. The same but different color. 71.69. So basically, this thing shows to me that that could happen. But after that, we need to do the same with the 10th of March. The 10th of March showing to me 70.74. Sorry for that. $70.74. 10th 74.70. Okay. The 10th of March shows me 64.60. Why are you doing this with me? What the fuck? 64. And here will be 60. Of course, you want me to be prepared for this live stream before I start this live stream, but I'm good. 60.64. It means that the price shouldn't be there, yeah? The 11th of March, 71.75. Okay, I know. There is easier way to do this. There is easier way to do this. Do the screenshot if you want. So the orange line showing to us where the price most definitely gonna trade, yeah? If we're gonna put here, pick, let's say 11, and let's add bottom, let's say 17. $17 too far away. Okay, we don't need the 17 right now. Okay, we're gonna do the new screenshot. And after that, we understand that the price should go until 17 to the bottom, yeah? So we're gonna be prepared. We're gonna be prepared that the price probably not gonna go higher than 70,000. Guys, I cannot even tell you, like, my brain's like right now will explode. I don't need to do this live stream, I'm telling you this. Give me a second, I need to prove to myself that I don't need to do this. No, you're still doing great. Thank you guys for your likes. $70, $70, $70, $71, $75, $74. The higher, yeah, like this is the 95%, this is the 68%. Maybe that's the mental breakdown. I don't know what the fuck is that. Okay, Who cares about the calculations? Who cares about the calculations? I will tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna open short position from 11.12 from the top of the trading filter. Sorry guys, I don't have energy for calculations. I'm gonna open one more short positions from here. I'm gonna close this short position when the price and the yellow filter will be at the bottom, closer to middle of March. Middle of March appear in our videos for the last months and a half, probably maybe 2 months in a row. From there, I'm expecting movement up, and the volatility shows to us that the price could jump. I still truly believe that we could see 78, 80,000, but if previous week, just go and watch previous videos, I was expecting that we're gonna go to 72, 74. From there, we're gonna drop to 69, 66. Done. Everything is done. Right now, from this price, there is such a huge amount of negative and bearish opinions, and everyone talking about 40,000 right now. I don't think that we're gonna be on 40,000 right now. Why? Because this thing showing to me that it's impossible to be on the 40,000 right now. Yeah, let me show you the 20. Yeah, we don't need this line. Let's take a look at the 20. What 20 shows? That we're not gonna be on 59, 52. So the 20 of March here, 20 of March here, shouldn't be lower than 50 something. Yeah, like it's 95% probability. Let's take a look on the 27th of March. Shouldn't be 48, but definitely not gonna be 86. Not good. April, 94.40, but the main thing that interesting for me will be in June. So let's work with these things. Let's work with these things. Yeah. I know that I'm not always doing this, but why not right now, yeah? The monthly time frame, like 5 months in a row, we are dropping lower, and this is the 6 months. So if the March will be red, that will be the record for the Bitcoin. Before that, it was 1, 2, 3, and here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But come on, that's not the movement. That's almost nothing, yeah? So that's the bigger volatility. We're gonna go back here. What was here? The yellow line at the bottom, it turned around and give us pretty huge profit, yeah? You see the same. I'm showing to you so you will understand. So I'm expecting this guy to turn around and go higher, something like this, and then probably we're gonna do one more bottom. So this bottom will be at the end of the year, and this top will be closer to July. Remember this. Remember this. On the 2 weekly time frame, we have almost the same situation. The 2 weekly trading filter showing to us that we turning around, but the main difference between this turning around and this turning around, that we are in the same phase of movement. So take a look at this. Yeah, for example, the same phase from October 2021 till February 2023. The yellow line turning around, the movement is not big. The yellow line turning around, take a look, even with the divergence, nothing. It's just a flat movement. Of course, like in the meaning of the 4-hour daily or weekly time frames, and especially something like Swing trades. My brain doesn't work. That's could be cashed, and that's the pretty good profit from 18 to 25,000. Come on, it's almost 50% to the position. So it's even more than 50% to the price. But the price not working as we want, as we think the price should work, yeah? So I'm not expecting that right now will be the huge pump. I'm not expecting. I'm pretty sure that they're gonna manipulate the price until July. Here we have the divergence, bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. And here we have the July, yeah? So all these things was given to you weeks, months, whatever ago. June, July, everything that's happening here, nothing changed. 1, 2, I'm not changing anything. I'm not touching. You can find how I'm drawing this in every video or the live stream. I'm not moving lines if you're not watching this. So we have the bullish divergence, we have squeeze channel. So I'm gonna think that as soon as possible, we could have pretty good impulse up. But the main question, when and where exactly the price will stop. So that's why we need to go on the lower time frame, because the phase of the 1 weekly time frame is still bearish. The same like it was here, the same like it was here. So right now, I'm gonna expect for the pump, but something says to me that probably that will happen closer to May. The daily time frame shows to me that the end of the February, beginning of the March was the pretty good entry price. Yeah, we bought, we opened long positions, then we sold, then we opened short positions, then I closed my short positions, and right now I have only long positions. And I know that, I know that. I hate short positions. Short positions are, I don't like them, because when I'm opening short position, it means that to destroy my trust into cryptocurrency. I want to be the same guy on the street who's telling, no, we're going only higher. Unfortunately, if I'm making, I don't know, like, let's take a look what the last week gave to me. Not so much, only $6,000 here. And the previous week, like on the second account, $8,000. 8 and 6, it's $14,000. It's not a good profit, yeah? It's not a good profit. Why? Because the previous week was the long week. And I cannot open huge longs because I'm already in the huge long. So I'm trading the small accounts, etc. So you know what thoughts I have right now? Give me a second, I will explain you. So today is the Women's Day, yeah, like the National or World Women's Day. I have mother, I have my girlfriend, I have mother of my girlfriend, I have a lot of friends with vaginas, and I'm wasting my time on the fucking chart and not kissing my girlfriend. I'm not calling to my parents, to whatever whom. I already did this. I called to everyone who deserve to receive my call and whom I want to call. I feel myself right now not comfortable in this live stream, but also I feel like I should do this live stream. So once again, sorry if you don't like it. I have a focus for those who don't like. This is the basic cup of coffee, yeah? Take a look what I have there. Let's get back to the chart. I need to be in the short positions, but it will be stupid to open them right now. If my short position was from 71, 72, why should I open short positions once right now, like from 66? But But fuck, I don't like this chart. And the worst thing, if I'm gonna show you my conversation with the partner who helping me to create the covers for the video, he asked me what should I put on the cover. I was like, today I don't know, because we did the movement which we expect to the 72.74. Right now we're on 69.66, but the forecast still showing to me middle of March. So guys, let me say it like this. Be careful next week. Be careful with the 10, 11, 12 of March. That could be pretty bad dates. On the cover of this video, there is, I think, 14.16 or 14.18, yeah? What's there? What the dates there? 14.16. That's the dates when I'm gonna buy. A lot of people don't understand the things that we are given to them. And sometimes I'm starting to feel like that's my problem. But you see 16 here. Why there is 14? Because the forecast of the trading filter, when we buying here, when we selling on top, when we buying here, when we selling on top, when we buying here, when we selling on top. Take a look at this. 1, 2. So I'm still not opening short positions because I already closed my long positions here. I opened short positions. I closed them here. I'm good. Unfortunately, I was sleeping here. It's 3 a.m. But I still have a chance to wait for one more manipulation closer to 11. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for 11. Just for 11. 11 tenths. I'm gonna wait for this red lines, which was given to you the same way previous week. I want to see price. Oh, even higher. I want to see price like this. 69.71. From there, definitely buy, yeah. The price could be here. And at the end of the month, the price probably will be, I will tell you, 64.67, 64.67. So at the end of the month, 64.67, and then we have one more movement down. You know why I have this type of anxiety right now? Because I feel pressure when people putting all their trust to the market. And I'm not in the mood to flex, to show people something. Like, I just want to be honest with you. I'm just the same human as you are. Maybe I'm more beautiful, maybe I'm more smarter, maybe I'm more richer. I don't know, like, you can decide, or you can ask someone. I don't know. Maybe I'm worst human in the planet. Maybe I'm the most ugly, stupid, or whatever. There is definitely better people than I am. I care about myself. I care how good I am. But there is the huge social media pressure. And I know I'm putting myself in the social media pressure for the last 13 years. And for the last 10 years, I'm putting myself in the worst case scenario social media pressure when you're talking about money, when you're talking about something that in your opinion will go up or will go down. And when people with the extra chromosomes trying to tell me that I'm doing something wrong, yeah? Mostly I'm starting to feel myself like, no, I'm not doing something wrong. I'm gonna show you one more thing. So for example, You see this? This is right now. I will explain you this right now. And I know that I said that I don't have short positions because that's not the short positions. That's just a fucking small amount of money. This is the first account. And this is the second account. The second one will be smaller. You can go back then and do the screenshot. You will see where I opened them. And the last one. Why I said that I don't have short positions? Because my big short position was closed between $69,000, $68,000. This one I'm holding just in case, because I still have on the both accounts the long positions, the huge long positions. I cannot close them right now. I just can't. And I wouldn't increase them just because I want to make money. My main goal not to lose money. My main goal is to show you what I'm doing. But mostly people expecting from me that if I'm not gonna send them money, I will probably at least gonna tell them everything that I'm doing or not doing. That's not happening in my reality. That's not happening. Even these live streams, even the publications in the Telegram, etc. I'm a little bit tired of this. I'm a little bit tired of this. I want to be honest with you. But I don't want to leave you alone on this market, on this bullshit, between all these influencers who's promoting the assets, who's promoting the projects, who's selling to you something, who's putting you in the stupid things. But I don't know, like, I feel myself exhausted. It's been 3 years without vacation. It's been 3 years for me without vacation. Like, I'm not gonna include some trips to other cities or whatever countries, or even the trip to Europe, which was basically 3 years ago. Sorry guys, I'm trying my best, and the worst thing that right now, probably I don't want to think about the market. So let me just walk around the chart. Maybe I will see something. Maybe I can give you something. So the same, 10-11, 10-11 for the Ethereum. I'm going to open short positions. Yeah. This is the day when I'm clearing the chart. So I said to you that everything that will be here, this is the good buying point. From that date, probably it was 1 week ago or 26th of February, just go and find where I'm drawing this. I showed to you my expectation that there should be manipulation down to this zone. Yeah, like this. These things. We did manipulation here. Yeah, you had the perfect buying point here. You have the perfect buying point here. And even right now, you have the perfect buying point. So this zone was almost reached. Sorry, I'm not so accurate. This zone was reached once again perfectly. That's where I'm gonna open my short position. Yeah, so everything that I need to do right now, I need to clear all the chart for me, for myself. You know why? You know why? You know why I need to clear the chart? Because of the AI who's trading my money, who's analyzing, who's helping. You see, he has a clear chart. I need to put the lines for him, because when he's putting the lines, mostly he's wasting too much money. So I need to clear the chart. I'm tired of proving. I'm telling you, I'm tired of proving. So let's get back. I'm gonna clear the chart in front of you. I'm gonna clear the chart. This one, yeah, let it be like this. This one, the same chart. I showed to you my expectations. We reached this zone. Okay, fine. reached, everything is good for me. Reach the first one, we will reach the second one. I'm not gonna change here anything, except like the zones which was reached. So it means that this zone could be reached in the next 7 days. I'm just gonna move this guy here, and I'm not gonna touch anything else. I'm not gonna touch anything else. Go and find the day, the week when I'm drawing this. 53.62, we was on the 63, that's fine with me, could be lower, didn't go lower, but still, both of these lines in the meaning of the trading filter pretty good, yeah? Not gonna be here. It wasn't here. I'm gonna stick to this plan the same way. Anything. Ethereum. Let's get back to the Ethereum, yeah? Maybe I need to start doing these live streams on the monthly basis. I'm gonna stick to this plan, but also I'm gonna move this line to 13.19. I even tired of telling to the people exactly the date, because you don't understand that when this guy here we're selling, when this guy here we're buying. So basically you want me to sit in front of the chart and tell you to send you notification, I'm buying, I'm selling, I'm doing this. I'm mostly doing this. But when I'm doing this, people think like, oh, Andrew made $30,000 from this position. Maybe Andrew has the bigger deposit than you have. I'm definitely not putting everything. Like yesterday conversation with this family guy from Miami, I was like, he put everything into the one position. He was in profit. He fell asleep. And then he wakes up, not even in the break even. He wakes up in the huge losses. He closed part of the position. He accepted the huge losses. Something like, as far as I remember, either 100, either 200,000 of XRP. And he gave me a call, and I said to him, like, the worst thing that you're doing in your life, you're putting all your money with the leverage, with insane leverage. Like the leverage isn't insane. It's like only second leverage. But in the meaning of leverage positions, yeah, the person opened long position on 3 million XRP coins on the second leverage. Why you cannot buy XRP on the first leverage, like the spot position, and sleep well? I can ask the same question to myself. I can ask the same question to myself, like, why you doing this? There's not gonna be answer. There is not gonna be answer why I'm putting like huge money or small money, but I will never put more than 10% after few scaling, after few averaging. That's not gonna happen. Even if I'm gonna scale my position right now, averaging, yeah? So for example, I have open position on $83,500. This position is something like $1.2 million, I think. Something like that. Liquidation price that I have. $34,900. If I'm gonna average my position right now on the X1, yeah, my average price will be 75. I'm definitely gonna reach this price in the next couple of months, but my liquidation price will move to the 50,000. So what I can do right now, I can open bigger short position, and I can leverage my, I can increase my long position, yeah? If I'm gonna do the same but X2, my new average price will be 72, but my liquidation will be on $56,000. That's not so bad, yeah? If the price will be on 72, my profit not gonna be like, I'm not gonna be in the profit. But if the price will be on 76, I will already have $156,000 profit. If the price will come back slightly higher than my entry price, I will be in the $500,000 profit. Yeah? It's easy for me to understand. If the price will be $75,000, I will be in that profit. If the price will be $83,500, I will be in that profit. Sounds pretty good. Do you agree with me? Like, in my opinion, it's something insanely good. But the risk will be impossible. The risk will be impossible. It means that I need to open bigger short position. And if I'm gonna open short position, like the huge one, the margin call could arrive way faster than you expect. So it's always about the risk management. But the pressure that I feel on my shoulders, that's not about the risk management. That's about, maybe it will be better if I'm gonna just shut the fuck up and I'm not gonna try to show people something, how the news affecting them. For example, yesterday, there should be a video, but somehow our editor didn't send me this video. Some of you have been expecting the video on the YouTube. There was no video on the YouTube yesterday. Some of you have been expecting the live stream that is gonna start in 11 a.m. by Los Angeles time zone. It starts in 11:07, 11:10. Then in 15 minutes, I start the new live stream. I feel pressure, like I owe you something. I didn't owe you nothing. I didn't owe you nothing. But I'm still, while I'm analyzing these things, I understand that I'm gonna open this position. Today probably is the worst day for the last couple of months. I don't know why. If the chart will be the OnlyFans model, I wouldn't even fuck her. Like today. I don't want to take a look at the chart. So no offense, my friends, it's just something that's, you should understand that the trading, it's not easy, especially if you're doing it on public. But come on, still from early morning, from the 15-minute time frame, take a look at this. From this top, I opened 6 positions, the same. They showing to me how many, like $8,000 profit. Do I need to do something else in my life? How do you think? Do I need to be scared about unemployment rates? Do I need to be scared about the oil or gas price? That's not $80,000, but come on, there was dates when I fixed $100,000s per day. And that was only in the last months, in February. So I'm trying to put myself in the state of please analyze. People are expecting something. People want you to analyze the chart. People giving you likes. To just take a look how many likes they gave to you. 197. Guys, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Why are you doing this with me? Okay. You playing with me, yeah? I need to start one more live stream. You remember last week I made the boring live stream, then I cut it on the video. I will probably cut this the same way. So what do we have here? Toma, if you're watching the live stream, could you please remember the time? I will remember this. Guys, you're playing with me. I'm the person, you know, in the worst case scenario, the only thing that people should do, like, give me some love, give me some respect, give me some support, and I'm gonna start doing this. Okay, guys. Okay, you deserve this. You deserve this. We still have 1 hour. I think that we can talk about this. Sorry for wasting 1 hour of your life. Sorry for this. Okay, let's think about it. Let's think about it. What do we have here, my friends? What I showed to the people in the private group. Like every time frame are at the bottom. So right now we need to turn around. Right now we need to go higher. This could be the pretty manipulative week. This could be like the last week was pretty manipulative and you've been notified, you've been informed about this. And this week could be the same. If I'm gonna go and gonna take a look on this thing, this is the cost of the, oh, you cannot see the chart, yeah? This is the cost of the war in Iran for US taxpayers. 11,000 per second, $41 million per hour, and $1 billion per day. We can read a lot of things here, yeah? They're providing a lot of information, and that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Just imagine this $8 billion to the poor people, to the hungry people, to the stupid people, for example, schools. Why not? So that's my expectations, that everything should turn around. What do we have here? No divergence, or there is divergence? No divergence, no divergence. Divergence, and divergence. Yeah, divergence probably. On the 4-hour time frame, our divergence didn't work. Zero effect. So that's showing to me that probably this moment down will be bigger than I'm expecting. Yeah, so definitely buy from the previous 2 weeks. Probably will work in the beginning, in the middle of March. So be afraid from 10, 11, 12 of March. That's the date when I'm gonna put more money to the short positions, and I'm gonna hold these positions until probably 16 of March. But I'm definitely gonna hold my positions exactly right until the yellow filter will be at the bottom. So if it's gonna happen on 14, 15, you could probably not gonna know about this. But if you're gonna watch our daily videos, if I'm gonna do them, because when you press in the like button, I feel myself like, oh my God, yes. Guys, this is the easiest way to throw the bond to me. I'm giving you the key to my brains. When people respect, when people support, I'm gonna stay here for whole day. That's the psychologist will say, maybe someone didn't love you when you was a kid. Maybe, I don't know. I would like to be molested by some woman when I was by some teacher. I don't know. I don't know. That's funny for me. But maybe, I don't know. But when people like the things that we are doing, I'm happy. So here I'm gonna open short position, here I'm gonna close short position, and I'm gonna try to turn around until the end of the month. If we're gonna go with the Ethereum the same way, that could be, and that could be. Let's try to calculate the sigmas for you. Guys, for you, everything that you want, okay? Let's do the autofill for the 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, you see, here is the mistake. I need to show it to the AI. Give me a second. 50, okay. Why like that? Why like that? Give me a second. It shouldn't be like that. Oh, I get it. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know why? Because this guy Yeah, I understand. I understand. This guy taking the previous one. Right now we have 5 Ethereum, yeah? So make the screenshot if you want. Guys, make the screenshot. Sigma 1, 68%, the price not gonna be here. Sigma 2, it's 95% that the price not gonna be there. And that's probably where the price will trade, yeah? So we're not expecting price to go lower than, what's the deepest dip? 18, 17, 18, 17, 18, $1,700. And we're definitely not gonna go higher than $2,000 for the next 5 days. So probably the price could come back here. The price could come back here. And yeah, absolutely easy to take this liquidity until 17. From there, let's do the calculation what the price will be closer to 27 of March. 27 of March, out of fill. And 27 of March shows to me 23, 26. So the price could come, oh, pretty good, pretty good. Could be 23. Easy. Maybe. Until the end of March. We will come back to the Ethereum in 1 week. Solana. The same, let me clear the chart. Everything here is the pretty good buying point, and guys, in my opinion, the Solana has extremely huge opportunity to go higher. The zone was filled, yeah? I'm gonna delete this. This is the buy. We didn't reach the zone. That's still something that I'm expecting, but it shows me 15, 13, maybe 19. When I'm gonna open bigger short position here. So for me, if you don't mind, I'm not gonna calculate where the price is not gonna be. If you don't mind, thank you very much. Yeah, I think that we could have pretty good movement up, movement down, just to take this liquidity. And from here, we're gonna go up again. So I'm gonna stick to the plan like this. 85, 89 could be, of course. Mr. Solana, could you tell me, is it possible for the price to be there? Mr. Solana, please. $85, $87. Let's take a look what it shows to us closer to 10. Will be the same, slightly higher, 87.91, yeah? So basically, the price for the next couple of days could be here. The only thing, like, do you remember from the beginning of the war? Operazione Culminazione. 0 reasons. Like, oh, because we killed Supreme Leader of the Iran. And what else? The new one respawned immediately. Like, you know, the new boss arrived. Those of you who's been playing to the Lineage or something like that, you remember this notification, the Baal, or like, I don't remember this, in Toi, you remember the Tower of Insolence? Some huge, oh my God, give me the memory. The Antares respawn in the, some place like, and everyone in the world running there to kill this Antares. So the new Antares of the Iran respawn immediately. Then they kill him, as far as they said, and the new one respawns. So people think what? We live in the fucking ancient Greece when you killing the king and that's it. Like everyone just, yeah, we are surrendering to you, Mr. Trump. No. Today what they are doing, they fucking destroying the oil and the gas. Productions. Yeah, like everything happened like it should happen. Sorry that today not gonna be the conspiracy theory. Probably tomorrow you will be watching the video about like the small conspiracy theory about what's happening in the world. But that's my plan for the Solana. Let's double check. Oh, can I delete where the price not gonna be? The price wasn't there. And the smallest one, 77.73. We need to do 2 more calculations, so the chart of this one will be better. But yeah, we're not expecting price to go too low, like 1800, 70 plus for Solana, or 63.58 for Bitcoin. Sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good for me. I'm definitely gonna buy. Like 100% I'm gonna buy. You know why? Because of this. 1, 2, 3. Solana has a pretty good chance. Like everyone expecting something incredible for the XRP. No. Like this. XRP. Unfortunately. XRP, yeah, we could do that type of movement in the nearest future. Could be. But more probably something like that. I even don't want to go back to the XRP, like until the end of summer. The red line, will we put it here? And I'm gonna put notification. How can I put the notification on all of 3? So everything here is the buy, hold until summer, hold until like June, July, and from there I would be the person who need to forget about this asset, because in my opinion, $1, then 80 cents, and the last but not least, something like 20 and 50 cents is absolutely possible for the next 2 years. That's my opinion, maybe next year and a half. So let's try to take a look at the Bitcoin volatility. Bitcoin volatility are rising, yes, rising. We have a divergence, we have the impulse up. Probably that was given to you on the previous live stream. From today, we need to expect the correction of the volatility, yeah? So as soon as possible today, or even 13, yeah? And what's gonna happen on 13, until 13? Until 13, the volatility rising. So, from here till here, that could be pretty huge volatility. Be prepared for this, yeah? So, I'm gonna expect from 10 till 12. Yeah, guys, be afraid of the 12. I will even be more specific. Be afraid of the 12. From 12 till 14, 15, 16, that could be pretty huge impulse down. So you're here, I'm here too as well. Please, someone remind me to cut this part from the live stream. Like exactly this timing. Hello guys, this is Andrew, this is Elcaro Trade, and today I want to notify you. Today, this is the 8th of March, and I'm telling to you that probably until 12th of March, the price will stay something like of the cryptocurrency in the same way as it is right now. Maybe we're gonna even hit $71,000 just to give people false confirmation once again. But from 12 till 14, 15, 16, I'm expecting pretty good correction down. Please be aware of these dates, 14, 15, 16, the bottom, 12, starting of the manipulation down. When the yellow filter, when the trading filter will be on top, we will definitely try, to notify you. But I even teaching my fucking AI agent to please, could you every hour look at the chart and tell me when the yellow filter turn around? I can put the notification on the trading field, on the trading view. I'm not doing this. I don't know why. So when the yellow trading filter will be on top, closer to 12th of March, please be aware. I would be aware from 10, 11. Maybe I even gonna start to accumulate short positions partly. Don't remind me to cut it off. I don't want to see this in my TikTok or Instagram. I don't care about this, I'm telling you. I'm not even gonna go on the Rodeo Drive today. I don't want to talk to people. I don't want to talk to the people. So the volatility shows to us that we're probably gonna rise until 12. So that could be like from here, we're expecting here the same. That could be probably something like bumps, 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 bumps. Something like that. Bitcoin dominance. Going lower but not affecting the price of the cryptocurrency, except, in my opinion, you know what? I think that people who still watching this live stream, they deserve to go through some assets on the, let's say, daily time frame. The daily time frame of the Bitcoin volatility still the same, still didn't change my opinion that is the only time when we probably could see the alt season x2, x3, maybe 5 for some assets. So give me a second, give me a second. Yeah. I want to see the Bitcoin volatility, Bitcoin dominance. Going there, the first, the second. Maybe. I don't think that they will give us a chance the same like in 2022, 2023. I think that this one will be something that could play. But also remember that 2028 probably will give us pretty good chance. So what I'm gonna do closer to August, November, December. Just remember the dates, guys. August, November, December. I'm gonna buy Bitcoin because in my opinion, the Bitcoin will probably give way better movement from the end of 2026 than other altcoins. If I'm gonna buy altcoins, that's definitely gonna be only altcoins which has ETF, so the Ethereum and Solana. I'm not gonna buy anything else. Maybe I will speculately invest in some assets which I like the TON, DOT, Atom, ICP. Still I'm gonna invest more, but meantime, closer to July, I will try to get rid from all altcoins that I have in my portfolio. Right now they are in minus 30, minus 40%. I'm not buying them, guys. For the last 2 months, I didn't bought anything like in the meaning of the scaling. I bought 1,000 here, 10,000 here, 5,000 here, but in the meaning of scaling, when you put in at least the same amount of money, not the same amount of the altcoins, the same amount of money. I'm not doing this. Why? Because since October, I've been fucked up with the Zcash position, and right now I'm with the long positions, but I'm making more and more money, and people in the private group, they know that I'm buying the Ethereum, I'm buying the Bitcoin, I'm buying Ethereum ETFs and the Bitcoin ETFs on the Robinhood. So you just need to be prepared that closer to August and November, December, so there will be 2 more buying points for me in a meaning of investments into the cryptocurrency, and I'm gonna hold them through the probably, I will tell you. So yeah, I'm gonna buy here in August. Why August? Take a look at this. Here. You see August right now? You see this green line? Can I talk to the guy who's texted me like, oh, you deleted the video? Oh my God. If I ever gonna delete at least one video, please, someone find me on the street, punch me in the face so hard, so I will call to my dentist and I will say like, I'm so sorry, please, could you save my face? Could you save my teeth? Guys, sometimes I will show you. For example, I'm opening the TikTok, yeah? Oh my God. You need to see this. Lock your phone. Connect. Yeah, let's do this. That's my girlfriend. And that's her best friend. They're funny. But let's go here. Yeah, this is the main TikTok. Too many things been posted here. Let me show you one thing. If you're watching these videos from the Rodeo Drive or from other streets, you can find exactly the same video on the YouTube, but the big one. Yeah, I want to show you one thing. So we're going lower, 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 lower. You see, like no problems with the videos, yeah? As far as I can see. But if I'm gonna open, for example, this account, the second one, which was created after they block our main account. And if I'm gonna go lower, take a look at this. You see? It's not blocked. I will show you right now. It's just like it wouldn't appear in the recommendation. That's why this account in the shadow ban, and I'm not posting anything here. But let's go back to the main account. Let's go back to the main account. And I will show you one thing. You see there is like the lock. It means that there is video which been hidden from people. I will show you what video been hidden from people. The video where I'm receiving the, how to say that, restrictions, and video where I'm receiving the violation of the rules. Someone didn't like something. Take a look at this. Like there is not so big amount of videos, but unfortunately every video of this one received the rules violation. Unfortunately, I cannot prove you this right now because I need to open this. And most of this video was in 2025, closer to the dates when they block our page. Okay, this video was just the how to say this. This video was just to show people what's happening in this apartment, in exactly the room where I'm sitting right now. But you can go to the Instagram and you will find all this video there because the Instagram doesn't care about the rules. As far as I'm not showing people the naked kids or something like that, they don't care. You will find exactly every video there, every video. But unfortunately, the TikTok blocking. So almost all this video, if I'm gonna restore them, I didn't delete them. I just pressed the hide button. Yeah, like I can turn them on back. Where is that? Privacy settings. But if there's gonna be 5 video with violation of the rules, and you know that this TikTok was blocked like 5 times for the last year. If there's gonna be 5 videos with violation, they're gonna delete this TikTok once again. I don't need this. Maybe someone needs this, but definitely not I am. So go back to the YouTube, for example here. Go back to the YouTube. Where is that? Here. Go to the shorts. And you will find all these fucking shorts. You will find all these shorts. There will be, you see, like even here, the AI automatically posting it twice. You will find all the videos, all the videos. Do you think that I'm the laziest person in the world will ever monitor something or delete something? Oh, here it is. You remember? Where is this? This video was hidden where I'm laying in the bed. This video was hidden. You see? Why? Because the YouTube and Instagram, they doesn't care. But in TikTok, people with the extra chromosomes, report, report, report. We will kill you. Shut up. Bitcoin never go down. Ah! And then they deleting our TikTok. And after that, we're paying to restore the TikTok. So all these videos, especially from the previous Bitcoin conference. By the way, guys, I'm gonna be on this Bitcoin conference. I hope that they're not gonna throw me out. If they're gonna throw me out, that's fine. That's fine. I'm just gonna stay in front of the casino with the same sign, probably, I don't know. If you want, we can make the flash mob. If you live in Vegas, California, or you can fly there, it's gonna happen. It's not the advertisement of the worst conference in the world, but still, it's gonna be interesting for me. So I'm not deleting anything. Like, 0 video was deleted, but unfortunately, sometimes I'm receiving notification from the social media. Either you're gonna delete this video or your account will be blocked. That's it. That's the easiest thing. You can go to the threads, for example. Try to find... Let's do this one. Give me a second, I will show you. Oh, no, cancel. Give me a second, I will show you one thing. Rep purpose. For those of you who's using the social media, maybe it will be helpful for you. So I will show you right now why I don't care about the social media. Like, you will see this right now. So here we have, this is the AI website which I'm using. Yeah, you see the TikTok, I need to reactivate it. Yeah, you see how many Snapchats, everything posting automatically. Twitter. This is the different YouTube channels. You think that this is the only channel that I have? No. You think that I will ever go and delete something? This is automatically reposting. Andrew Trushkovsky, Elcaro TR, Elcaro Trade. Come on, guys. If you ever gonna prove me that I delete or I change something, I will pay you money. I will pay you money. Can do whatever you want. If they're gonna be like, oh, Andrew, no. The only reason, they deleted it for us and they just sent me notification. Your video was deleted because what's happening with the guys, we're talking about the money, we're talking about the charts, we're talking about the crypto or other assets. With the fucking trading view, you think that I care about this? I'm posting this for the people, but take a look, all these red things. Summer 2025, all-time high, 4,000 plus. What is this? The all-time high, not on the summer. Sorry for that. But house rules violation. Fuck off. Come on. They're gonna delete this YouTube channel. They're gonna delete everything because they need to delete this. That's it. So when I'm reading the messages, like those of you who's been following me in the Instagram, you know that like a couple days ago, I have a conversation with one guy, and I was like, this person would even see and wouldn't even notice how his woman fuck with other men in front of him. You always changing the dates! Andrew, stop changing the dates! I'm not changing anything. I'm probably the most honest person in the YouTube that you're gonna find. And I'm praying to God, please, turn off this fucking passive skill in my head. Please, put me in the state of fucking and scamming people. Please, God, I'm begging you. Give me chance. Give me chance. Please. Please. God. But meantime, there is the fucking scammers even right now who's texting to you and pretend to be us. And you are the person who's like, oh, Andrew, hello, why are you texting me? Oh, pretty interesting, let's talk. So no offense, my friends, no offense. Once again, when I'm gonna open short positions, you already knew this, yeah? Here. When I'm gonna close my short positions, here. I'm not gonna do anything right now. I want to see manipulation. I want to see the fucking manipulation with the price because of the weekly time frame. I want to see maybe even, take a look at the Ethereum. Ethereum has 2 weekly time frame. Let me show it to you, yeah? 2 weekly time frame and a weekly time frame. But one more thing, my friends, the Ethereum has pretty good chance to go lower than $1,000. Here it is. Ethereum. No, stop. Ethereum has a pretty good chance to be here, here, and here. Sorry to say that. I'm the Ethereum holder since 2016. I'm the Ethereum maxi fucking promoter since 2016. I love Ethereum. I made a lot of money on the Ethereum, but it has a pretty good chance to be here, here, and here. Why? I will show you. Oh, you know what? Take a look at this. Ethereum. What do we have here? July, June, the end of June, July, August, and October, yeah? June, July, August, October. The end of June. We're not gonna be like on $450. The end of June. September. You see, calculations, like, it's impossible. It's impossible, but that's possible. Just be prepared that this is the possible price for the Ethereum closer to September. And the last but not least, that's impossible. That is possible. So while everyone thinks that this is the end, no, this is not the end. This is the only way how the price could bounce back, then gonna go lower. That's my vision. I want to see price here. You know, we even could see price somewhere here. And only after that, we're gonna go probably to the all-time high. Let me put it here. Unfortunately, I cannot calculate what the price could be. Closer to this date, but that's my vision. Solana, meantime, has the way better opportunity to go higher. But before that, Solana should survive September, November, December. So if I'm gonna put the lines like this, yeah, by here, and closer to December, November, something like here. On the daily time frame, we can move them here, here, and something like probably here. I will put still November. And that's the lines where the price could be. Oh my God, if someone of you will ever go in the previous year closer to January, February, you will see how I'm telling to you that I'm expecting price to be lower than $40. Maybe even December 2024. That's my plan. That's my plan. And after that, even that could be the new all-time high, but I'm gonna leave it here. All-time high, $330 plus. Let's take a look at the USDT dominance. You've been notified that when the USDT will be here in this zone, could be 72 plus, yeah? 72 plus. That's done. We reach this zone. That's done. That's done. I just need to clear. Even this moment, yeah, like up, down, up, down, up. And right now, the only thing that I'm gonna wait, 16. So here is, I'm gonna move it slightly closer here. Let's do it together. What dates Andrew set? 1, 2, 3. Be aware of 10th of March. Be aware 11, 12. Price could go lower to 16th of March. Good? Good. You remember this? I hope yes. So it means that the USDT dominance from here till here going up. So one more movement down for crypto. If the USDT dominance going higher, it means that the crypto market going lower. It means that people are selling. It means that stop losses, liquidation price, or whatever else, putting people in the state, I need to sell. It means that more USDT appears on the market. So, my friends, be aware of what date? Yes, thank you very much. From here, one more pump for crypto. And then one more down for crypto. Like it means from here till here, the crypto could be 90K plus. That was put it here probably last week. But the daily time frame, meantime, showing to me that the March, once again, my friends, why Andrew holding, why Andrew buying ETFs, why Andrew buying Ethereum's, not Solana, I don't have Solana right now, some assets, even for a couple of $1,000s, because the USDT dominance showing to me that we need to go lower. Time interesting for altcoins high. When it's gonna happen? From May till June. That's with the USDT dominance, but every asset should be analyzed separately. Because here, in June, some assets could probably already gonna give us profit, or Bitcoin will be 90,000 plus. So I'm gonna wait for this 50 days, closer to the summer. And in my opinion, that could be pretty good chance. Let's take a look at the total, yeah? From the previous time when we've been talking with you, my expectations, yeah, like we need to go higher, sell. Yeah, like we're not gonna sell here. We definitely need to sell here, as always. Guys, like those of you who's trading only because, oh, Andrew said 28th of February. Okay, that's the pretty good entry price. So be aware, once again, from this, the price could go lower. Whole crypto market. I'm not gonna change anything. The same. The only thing that's wrong is this one, yeah? Like that one should be here. Why? Because we're selling. Because we're selling on top, as always. When I'm gonna open short position? Here. I'm gonna open short position here. Total 2. We did pretty good profit. Yeah, like let's say not profit. We did pretty good movement from here till here. But as always, sell here. As always, sell here. In my opinion, once again, let me say it out loud. This week could be pretty volatile. We could see 70, 71,000 once again. From there, we're gonna do one correction. I'm not gonna put you in the state of fear. For me, the end of February, beginning of March, that's where I'm buying. But 63, 64, 65, 66 is possible to see once again closer to the middle of months. Once again, be prepared. This guy, the same, yeah. Yeah, I was expecting that we're gonna go slightly higher. We didn't go slightly higher, but that's fine. Also, like, you know, we should stick to the total 1, total 2. But come on, that was my opinion, yeah? So I'm gonna stick to the one more short position from 11. Others, the clear chart, probably I'm not gonna take a look at this anymore. The tone. Pretty good, pretty good. Even if you bought there, your average should be here. For me, everything is pretty good. Yeah. And I'm buying more and more of these assets. And once again, if the price will be here, I'm not gonna be disappointed. But once again, I'm buying. I have a huge amount of Toncoin in my wallet. I have absolutely huge amount of Atom in my wallet. From here, we go higher. We reach this zone. If you want, you can buy. I love this asset. My girlfriend will definitely buy closer to the middle. Guys, you know when your lips are dry? My, like, how to say that, was in the middle. I don't want to say blow or destroy it. When my girlfriend gonna buy? Middle March, middle March. When I'm gonna buy one more? Middle March, middle March. What Andrew gonna do? He gonna buy in the middle of March. What you gonna do? Nobody care. I need to buy a new microphone. I hate this. You see, like, oh. We are starting donation for microphones. Let's get back to the chart. Atom, I'm still expecting pretty insanely good movement up. And guys, no offense if it's gonna happen, but also no offense if it's not gonna happen. Compound. Buy. The perfect entry. Babach. Down, down, down. Yeah, still have a chance to buy it for the lower price. Dot. Take a look at this. Up, down, up. Impossible. Uno impossibile. ICP. Down, perfect entry. Up, perfect. Yes, thank you very much. Optimism. Yeah, I'm expecting that from here we flying. Bounce. This guy. Going up, we go up. Going down, we go down. Going up from here. Yeah, like you see these things. Let's say from here till here. It's a fucking 23% movement. But I'm not gonna be satisfied with 23% right now. No, my friends. I'm buying, I'm holding. I need at least X2. I need at least price X2. Then I'm gonna sell half and the rest of the money will be free. Same, yeah, we reached the zone. For me, this is the pretty good buying date. Right now, I'm not gonna do anything with this guy. The weekly time frame shows the same. We even have the divergence here. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. It's hard, I know it's hard, but come on guys. That's my buying point. I don't need to even add something else there. ADA, we need to go lower. We reach absolutely impossible. One second time. I'm still gonna hold this like middle of March, 18, 17, 20. I'm not gonna even move this line. Even if the price will do right now, take a look at this. Even if the price will do that moment, then we're gonna come back here. That's gonna be pretty good entry price. That's fine. The main question, when you're gonna sell? Here, the price go down, the price go up. Absolutely impossible. Impossible. I'm gonna add one more if you don't mind, yeah, on the middle of March. Basically, how to do this? I hate to use these words, but probably I need out loud. In my opinion, there will be 3 more opportunities until the pretty good movement up. And if I wouldn't have the long positions, I would definitely put at least half of my USDT, and I have like 95% of my portfolio in the USDT. I would put in the middle of March, then at the beginning of April, and after that, maybe at the beginning of May. I will do this. I will do this with all my money. Why? So if you want to do the same, you can do the same, but that's not financial advice. I truly believe that we're gonna have pretty huge movement up until the July. I truly believe in this. If that's gonna happen, if I'm gonna do at least some money, like I mean, like hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars, I'm gonna stop doing these live streams just because I'm tired. I'm gonna concentrate myself on the golden dildos, or I don't know what's gonna be in my head or in my ass. I don't know. We can make jokes about everything, but I'm really telling you, I'm a little bit tired. I don't feel like I should do these live streams. I don't feel like you need them. I know that there is a lot of people like, oh my God, my family don't know how to live. Here is my kids. Here is my dog. Please help me. I took a loan. No offense to you guys. I've been there before. You are the best people in the world because you finally figure out that everything that you've been doing in your life was the fucking bullshit. You finally admit, I'm poor because I was listening to the fucking poor and stupid people. Your teachers in the school, your teacher in the university, your friends, your neighbors, some of them are your parents, your relatives. Look at me, the same. 95% of my circle before 18 was, so we need more. Maybe next week we can buy bread. So no offense, we all trying to do something for ourselves, for our families, for our future. But somehow and sometimes we're forgetting that there is way more people who understand how to print this money, how to create probabilities, possibilities, how to create job, how to create like products. And I think, you know, like this cycle was ended for the Ukrainians in 9 years, in 8 years. In 2024, I said that I'm stopped doing this for the Ukrainians. Thank you, Ukrainian people. Thank you for your support. Today I saw and I reposted the video where the poor village guy, I will show you this. This is the content which people want to see. I will show you this. You know how many, when I made repost, there was 159,000 of likes. Right now it's 161,000, 5 million views. You know what most popular video in my Instagram? I will show you.
Day 1 in crypto. Day 30 in crypto. Half year in crypto. 1 year in crypto. Second year in crypto. Day 1 in crypto.
16 million views. I'm doing something wrong. I'm telling you this. Because you see the government, for example, government in your country, government everywhere, they telling to you that you need to use paper straw. You need to use the EV cars. You need to sort the garbage. You need to do that. And then they just wasting $8 billion for 9 days in trash. They destroying the ecology. They destroying everything in the world. The pollution. Come on, guys. I'm so fucking tired of this. Don't even try to talk to me if I want to do, I don't know what, like, if I want to destroy something, if I want to do something, that's not something that should bother anyone. That's not something. And you know, some of you will think, oh my God, he destroyed money. No, this is the prop money. 2 years ago, I need that type of money because I've been trying to do stupid bullshit videos. That's not the real money, guys. That's not the real money. They just look like real. I found them here because a couple days ago I've been doing the video. They look like real, but they are not real. They're pretty good quality. They're pretty good quality. This is the not the cheap money as too many people using. This is the pretty good quality money. And the world deserves all these things that's happening right now. Let's get back to the chart. ZK, reach everything, buying date for me, pretty good. STRK 1, 2, reached the third one almost, but take a look at this. We have one more. This was on, guys, STRK daily time frame just appear. Just appear. Before that, there was no daily time frame because you see the STRK is young asset. Young asset. Finally, we have the daily time frame. Oh my God, the movement down could be catastrophic. And the STRK yeah, I have something like $5,000 in the STRK. In my opinion, that could be something like that. Yeah. Unfortunately. Buy. And one more buy. Let it be here. Everything that's going to be bought here, that's the pretty good for selling, at least here. Pepe. Oh my God. The previous one buy, the previous one sell, then once again going lower, and I don't know when I update this. I don't know. Maybe I even gonna buy a little bit more, but I don't want to buy more. I have something like the same $5,000 in the, I will tell you. Oh, gone in a bad romance. Pepe, I will show you. This is the Pepe, minus 30%. So average entry is 0.000045.8. So my average entry is here, 45.8. Is here. I'm not doing anything. I didn't sell here. I don't care about this asset. Let it be. Let it be. I have a friend who's buying here. That's the terrible things to do. I'm good. With this things, I will wait maybe. Yeah, it looks like we need to take this liquidity. We need to take this liquidity. So something like here, then we're gonna bounce back here. But there is people who's expecting like, oh, the Pepe will do that. Why? The same. Buy, perfect buying. Like you could sell, you could do whatever you want. But the Dogecoin, if we're gonna talk about the coins, he's probably has the opportunity. Take a look at this. Because the Elon Musk not gonna release this coin. He loves this coin. So that's my opinion. I'm gonna stick to this plan. In 2028, we could be higher than the previous all-time high. Let me do this. All-time high. That's my opinion. So I'm just gonna put this. And I will never come back to this chart. I will never come back to the chart. I can, you know what I can do? Gone in a bad romance. Publish. My last time, I'm stupid. DOGE last in my life. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. I can. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. I can feel it in your face, in your smile, yes. When I was lonely, so much how to lonelier than today. I believe that anybody, you know this song of the Beatles, when I was younger, so much. Younger. When I was younger, so much younger than today, I believe that anybody helps me anyway. Enough. Continue. We using wave analysis and we using beyond technical analysis. Show DOGE USDT. That's the last time. We're gonna come back to this. Is there a way to put notification? Newest. DOGE. Who cares? I'm not gonna come back to this chart anymore. That's it. That's fine with me. Let's take a look at the gold. If you're watching our videos, you've been notified about everything that's happening here. I need to clear the chart. I just need to clear the chart. I don't give a fuck about this gold. I don't care. And right now, still closer to the Monday, closer to the middle of March, the gold will go higher. Yeah, I'm gonna delete this line. That was given to you closer to the beginning of March. So let's wait. Let's wait for this. After this, I'm gonna clear the chart once again. Fear. I'm not gonna take a look at this once again. The silver, pretty good. Yeah, like from here we're going lower, we reach all the targets. From then we're going higher, lower, higher. We did everything as I showed. The only thing that we need to delete this one. Here it is, take a look at this. You see? Everything was given to you. This buying date, pretty good. This buying date, pretty good. And this is the selling date, yeah? For me, pretty good. So, delete. Yes, the expectation was that the price could go higher, but also you all knew that until the beginning of March, the price going higher, then it's going lower. So, right now the same. I don't think that the silver will do the same as the gold. I still don't think that the silver will go to the $100 in the next... let's take a look. In the next year. Oh no, Mr. Fish, trading filter, what we need to do, we need to buy, so it means, yeah, so it means that there could be manipulazione, from here, we could go to the new all-time high, but I don't expect the new all-time high, yes, so I'm gonna expect this time and that. That's my expectation, that probably if we're gonna go and take this liquidity, from there we're gonna get back here, or maybe here, and then we're gonna go to the 2025s, and still like this is my main target, $50 for the silver. United States housing, yes, housing of United States. I buy real estate property closer to the August-December 2026, maybe first quarter of 2027. Best price, best rates. You've been notified twice. If you're gonna go back to the middle of 2024, closer to summer, you will see how we notify you about this. Then you know that we notify you about this. So that was probably how many months ago? Like 5 months ago. Right now, the real estate struggling. There is more sellers than buyers, and that's happening more than a year. A couple of days ago, I dropped my opinion about the bullshit that they are showing to the people, like, oh my God, the rates are going higher because of the war in the Iran. Oh yeah, so you're telling to me, like I received a call from 2 real estate agents, like, Andrew, you need to buy right now because the price, the market is absolutely crazy right now. I was like, oh yeah, really? How many houses do you have? Or maybe you have at least money on your own house, or maybe you were ever buying something like a house, or you just selling to people for the commission. So I even once, it was a small fight with the real estate agent who was like with the extra chromosome. I'm telling to him, hey, you don't understand me. I know that my English is not perfect. but I'm showing to you, I need that type of house for that range of price. And you showing me something that you're gonna love, but you are the one who's wearing the fucking blue jacket and the red pants. Why are you trying to show me the most ugliest interior and exterior design of the houses in the world? Oh, because this is the great investments. For whom? For whom? So this person didn't understand that. I blocked him. I stopped talking to him. That's crazy. He's been calling me on one of the live streams. So why I'm not gonna buy here? The next slide will explain it to you. Because the Fed funds, that's my expectations. Right now, because of this, we could see manipulation up, then additional movement down. Why? Because they need, tomorrow you will watch video where I'm explaining everything, but let me say it out loud here once again. The government right now gonna create the propaganda field for people who don't have time to analyze something by themselves because they are tired from the work. The only happy things in their life is the fucking beer after the work, or like they just, please, I want to take a look at the Netflix series, shut the fuck up. So basically they're moving from one problem to another problem. We all move from one problem to another problem, but some of us has problems with this like 6 zeros in the check. Some has the problems with $10 in the check. So for the people who's not smart, because they don't have opportunity to watch fucking 3-hour live streams when someone retarded as I am talking bullshit. I'm the most toxic crypto trader in the world. I'm the most toxic investor and analytic in the world. I'm telling you this. But they don't have time for this, and that's fine. But also, they don't have time for this, so they need to be afraid. They need to take something in the lawn, because the news propaganda will be sound like everything is terrible. The gas, the oil, the housing prices, everything is flying to the moon, and especially when the S&P and Bitcoin, like the risky assets, yeah, the stock market will give us this movement up until July. That will be the time when people will be afraid, and when they're gonna stuck with the oh, there is the, take a look at this. IMHO, how many days or weeks ago I wrote this? They will increase rates in March and lower them in August. From beginning of 2027 rates pumps. Oh my God, that's really interesting. Yeah, so that's the main thing which I'm trying to say to you. In my opinion, they're gonna do this just because they're gonna increase the rates this time, and maybe even in August. You remember that there's gonna be the new cheerleader. Maybe even for the first time, he's gonna explain to the people why I'm increasing the rates, why nothing happens as people expecting to happen. So they need to put you in the state of fear. They need to put you in the state of FOMO. Like, okay, right now the rates are 3.65, but the house rates are going back to 7, 9, 8, 10%. I need to buy a house right now, because with all this situation, my money will cost nothing because of the inflation and blah, 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 blah. So that's why on this chart we see the divergence, squeeze channel. So the rates could go higher once again, 4, maybe 5%, I don't know. Probably they're gonna increase it on 0.25, maybe 5, or maybe just to put people in the state of, I don't know, like panic and anxiety, maybe 1%. Who knows? That could happen. Like some of you will tell me, no, it's never happened, like it's impossible. Why should? And people will start to take the credits, and after that, that will be really bad, really, really bad. That will be really, really bad. Once again, the chart was showing to us the Oh my God, this is the economical chart of the house pricing, like the average house pricing. This the same chart, but it include way more data. It shows to me here, but also as far as I remember, there should be 12 months chart. Yeah, there should be 12 months chart. No, and where is that? Okay, let it be 1 month chart. So here I'm gonna buy. I need to wait for this. DXY. Take a look at this. That's how the crisis looks. You know what? Let's take a look at the monthly time frame, because other assets, they has monthly time frame. The risky assets going down. Be prepared. The Russell 2000 showing to us that the risky assets are in the terrible situation. The S&P 5000, S&P 500. First target for me is 63. Yeah. Let's take a look what was given to you. The price go up. Yeah, I'm still expecting that until May, July, that could happen. Yeah, I still gonna expect this one. But the target for S&P in the meaning of the big time frames, the first target will be 63. Let's take a look here. Nasdaq, Dow Jones. Tesla doesn't have the monthly time frame, probably weekly time frame going down. NVDA going down. Netflix. You remember the live stream when I said to you that I'm buying Netflix? On the live stream 2 or 3 weeks ago, I said to you, go watch yesterday video and you will find 4 assets which I bought yesterday or day before yesterday, before the live stream. So Netflix, yeah, should go to the correction, then gonna go higher. Microsoft was the second one. Still need to go lower, but I'm not expecting. In my opinion, the Microsoft will feel itself pretty good. So from here, I'm still gonna expect that the price will go higher. I'm still expecting this one. From here, we reach this zone, perfect. Yeah, there was the pullback of the price, but come on, guys. If you see the big moment down, what the fuck? We always need to concentrate ourselves on the bigger moments. The 4-hour time frame. Meta did everything that I show, go up. Right now should turn around once again, but in my opinion, you know how it's gonna happen? Probably like this, and then we're gonna go up. The Amazon was the third asset which I bought on the day where I said to you. And everything here the same, up, down, up. Now we have this correction, this moment. I'm not gonna update anything, but the weekly time frame will show you that the Amazon will go higher right now, then we're gonna go lower until the end of the month. So this guy will go higher, then we'll go lower. Apple, what Apple shows to us. Oh my God, how dirty is this? The last chance, we go down, we reach the target. From here we go down, up. Need to do update. You see the notification, probably I'm gonna buy Apple, but not right now, I'm still gonna wait, probably on the daily time frame. You know, when I'm gonna create the portfolio for myself, right now, all assets was told to you. NVIDIA, Net, HOOD, Uber, PayPal, I'm gonna sell them and I'm gonna buy more, and on my big account I'm just putting their money. So the big account is like the saving account. I'm receiving 3% money from there, and I'm gonna wait until the end of the year. I'm gonna wait until the end of the year. Microsoft the same. Google. You know why? Because they're not receiving money from our channel. Yeah. Coin. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. We reach the zone, we go into the correction. After that, we're gonna be here. After that, we're gonna go to the one correction, and then we're gonna be here. We will come back to this. IBIT. I bought it before here, I bought it before here. On the 5th of February, I said to the people, I'm buying IBIT, I'm buying ETHA Ethereum ETF. Buy price goes higher, lower, like, I'm still gonna expect, like, this is the middle of March, yeah? The middle of March. For me, everything here is pretty good. Котик, ти йдеш на ланч? Да. Ти вже виходиш? Да. А коли звільнишся?
Я поїду з Катю на саундхілінг на Мейбл.
Удвох?
Да. І ввечері тебе запрошую на вечерю.
Добре, дякую, я запрошуюся. Я тебе люблю. Цям. You see, my girlfriend goes on the sound healing to the Malibu. She needs to heal herself. Just imagine what fucking healing should I took. HODL. The same, pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. I'm not buying HODL. I'm buying IBIT. Ethereum ETF. I bought, I'm holding. Here I sold it. Here I sold it. I said it to the Ukrainian, and on the next day I said it to the people in the private group. So I'm buying more, and the next buying point for me will be middle of March. HOOD. Since the video which was posted 2 or 3 weeks ago with the dog in the Uber car, 24% movement up. Here you see, like, the next opportunity for you. I can give you all the opportunities. Shut the fuck up. This is the next opportunities for you. But if I were you, I will buy when the market will be open today. In my, you know what? In my opinion, that could happen, something like that, and then we're gonna go higher. Why? Because the Robinhood still, like, with the cryptocurrency, when the cryptocurrency going lower, Robinhood and Coinbase are struggling as well. What do we have here? 6, yeah? 6. Where is the 6? 6 here. Not the best. But we're gonna come back, guys. We're gonna come back. We're gonna come back. I was expecting that the price will be here. The price reached this zone. I was expecting that we're gonna be 66, 69. We reached this zone. So right now, one more correction. Unfortunately, this correction, which I was expecting. Yeah, why are you doing this? This correction. It's going deeper. So it means that probably in March, they're not gonna be something terrible. And you remember that there was, like, guys, I don't know, the question mark shows to me that the price could go to the 57, closer to 58, 57. All this explanation was given to you also. Oil did absolutely everything that we said, and in my opinion, this week will be pretty good for oil. I'm expecting the correction. The gas did absolutely everything that we said, and right now I'm expecting that this week will be correction for the gas. So probably there will be the good news, which is gonna put cryptocurrency higher, oil and gas lower, and from there, from the middle of March, once again, the second round. I don't care about the T835, that is the Tel Aviv index, but take a look at the weekly time frame. When it's gonna be terrible for the Tel Aviv? June, July. So that's why I'm gonna be sure that probably the Iran will strike Israel closer to June, July 2026. What we have here? June, May, June. Just write to yourself, TASI. You will see Oh my god, I don't remember. This is Saudi or whatever. Dubai index going down till 2027. Yeah, we still need to go lower. GNRI. All this index, this is the countries that involved in the Middle East conflict. That's all the index of these countries. Going lower. Qatar probably, I don't remember. Going lower. FADGI. Just Google it. Google it. I ask people who's been watching our videos, like, if you want us to analyze all the indexes of the countries that involved or could be involved in this Middle East war, just give me 500 likes. Unfortunately, there was something like 300 likes. Maybe we will do, maybe not. I don't know. I don't know. You see, my girlfriend, she's angry on me. I feel that. Money not gonna buy you everything, that's definitely, but I cannot do everything right now. So the last thing that I'm gonna take a look at is the 15-minute time frame for the Bitcoin, and that's gonna be and I'm gonna go and talk to the AI agent. So let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame. What do we have here? Turning around. I'm not gonna open bigger short right now. I'm not gonna open bigger short right now. No, not until 10, 11, 12. Not until 10, 11, 12. I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna wait for this guy to be at least here, Sigma 2, and then I'm gonna open it. I need to delete this live stream. I'm telling you, I need to delete this live stream. I hate this live stream. I hate it. I hate to do something like this, but that's the way it is. Ugh. Sorry for this. I know that if I'm gonna be like the iShowSpeed or other live streamers who just watching the funny videos, it will be more popular because people want to laugh, people want to see something. I'm trying to show people that there is the way how you can be rich as the iShowSpeed or other influencers, how you can change your life, how you can try to find the freedom or whatever, but it's not working. I need to do stupid videos, and I start doing these stupid videos. So supporting us, for everyone who's pressing the like button, because I'm doing this only because of you guys. I'm doing this only because of your support. If there is not gonna be your support, or one day I'm gonna see that there is like 50 people who's watching the live stream, that's gonna be the last time when I'm doing live streams, because I think that we deserve more. But that's fine. I know that I'm the face, I'm the guy who, like, there is no reason to love me, there is no reason to support me, because I'm rude, I'm angry, I'm like, I'm using bad words, I'm not the best person, I know that. But you know why? Because I'm fucking tired of all this bullshit that they're feeding you. All these Kardashians, everyone who's just showing you the perfect life, like, how it's affecting you. Your life become worse and worse day after day. I'm trying to be myself. I'm not trying to play anyone else's role. I'm not trying to be polite just because people want to see someone happy who's like, oh my god, Bitcoin going only to the moon, I'm buying more, guys, please. Where is your likes? Konnichiwa. That's fine. That's fine. Thank you.